104 billion shillings is adequate to take care of primary school children. For 10 years, it's 9 billion per year. They would have lunch in school. Secondly, Madam Speaker, why this system should offer an inferior benefit, yet members now pay more. Imagine, Madam Speaker, they are saying in a family, you can only benefit, only one individual can benefit to go for diabetes tests per year, one person, and it's only 4,000 shillings. Only one person can benefit on matters to do with dental, and it's about 2,000 shillings. Only one member in a family can benefit with optical medical care. It is absurd given what we had in NHIF. If indeed NHIF had issues, our focus should have been to review the claims management department. And today, Madam Speaker, I would like to bring to your attention that even in this social health authority, there is a scheme to outsource the core mandate of this particular authority, which is the claims management department. And that will be a loss of funds that would have been used to support poor Kenyans. Madam Speaker, this is something that I've been to request that through our committee, we step back and look at I've forgotten to mention, in our committee, we requested the ministry to produce even one photo of a public participation event. They could not produce even one. There was no public participation anywhere in this country. So, Madam Speaker, I would request as a member of that particular committee, and there is a lot that we can talk about. We step back and review this and even the cost. I forgot to mention also that the companies that benefited from this particular contract have never developed any kind of this system anywhere in the world. One of them was just registered the other day in July. So you can imagine the haste in which those who intend to benefit from this had. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
I think we just have one more voice, and then we can end this, and I'll allow the... Okay. All right, I'll go to Honorable Deputy Leader of Majority, and then I'll... Oh, yes, sorry. I'm sorry, Honorable Oren, yes. Honorable Nikal was next, then I'll come to you.
Thank you, Chair. I'm a member of the Health Committee, and I'll stand here and say the statement our Chair has read does not reflect the position of the members of that committee. Statement number one, and I say it with courage. Two, let me finish.
What's your point of order?
Madam Speaker, indeed, if members of the Health Committee are saying that what the statement the chairman has read to this House is not a representative of the views of members of the Health Committee, then why are we discussing it in the first place?
Okay.
Yeah, why are we discussing it, Madam?
Okay.
Is that in order?
So let me allow Honorable Nikal, and then you will have a chance to respond to this, Honorable Bukose.
Speaker, to begin with, we were not even aware